Hello, you're tuned into the 𝗪𝒛𝒄𝒃 Estate channel, your ultimate guide to digital entrepreneurship. We cover all things related to digital products and how you can turn them into a profitable business. Today, we delve into 3 digital products that you can start selling today. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 on our list, ebooks. These digital products offer a profitable avenue for entrepreneurs and are incredibly easy to create. With myriad platforms available for selling, such as Amazon Kindle or Apple iBooks, your literary prowess can reach audiences globally. It's essential to choose a topic that resonates with your target market and to employ a savvy marketing strategy to ensure your ebook stands out from the crowd. So if you're looking to kickstart your digital business, ebooks, a perfect start for your digital business with minimal investment. Moving on to the second product, online courses. In today's digital age, the thirst for knowledge is unquenchable, and online courses are the oasis. Whether it's cooking, coding, or calligraphy, your unique skill can be your fortune. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera are your stages to perform. Potential profit margins are enticing, but remember, your success hinges on the quality of your content. It's not just about selling, it's about educating, engaging, and empowering. Online courses, a great way to share your knowledge while making a profit. And last but not least, stock photography. For all you shutterbugs out there, your passion can be more than just a hobby. It can be a revenue stream. The demand for stock photos is vast, encompassing everything from small business websites to major advertising campaigns. Platforms like Shutterstock and Getty Images offer a marketplace for your work. The potential income can be substantial, but remember, the key is uniqueness and quality. Stock photography, turning your passion for photography into a lucrative business. So there you have it. We've explored 3 profitable digital products: ebooks, online courses, and stock photography. Each offers a unique opportunity for easy entry and potential profitability in the digital marketplace. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities, you just have to seize them. Don't forget to subscribe to 𝗪𝒛𝒄𝒃 Estate channel for more insights into the digital entrepreneurship world. Until next time, keep selling.